Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm thrilled to share with you today the top 5 metal detectors of 2023. Whether you're a seasoned treasure hunter or just starting out, having the right metal detector can make all the difference in finding those hidden gems. In this video, we'll dive deep into the features, performance, and overall quality of these top-rated metal detectors. From advanced technologies to user-friendly designs, these detectors have it all. So, if you're ready to take your metal detecting game to the next level, stay tuned and discover the best options on the market. Links to all the featured metal detectors can be found in the description below. And remember, if you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of our exciting content. Let's jump right into the top 5 metal detectors of 2023. Starting at number 5, the TriCore TX960 underground metal detector is a professional-grade device designed to meet the needs of both experienced users and beginners in the metal detection field. Featuring one-touch operation, this detector is easy to use and offers immediate functionality for detecting metal objects buried underground. The TX960 is suitable for various applications, including security checks, archaeological explorations, outdoor treasure hunting, and material inspections. Its versatility makes it a valuable tool in different environments and scenarios. Before use, it is recommended to adjust the sensitivity to an appropriate level to ensure accurate detection without false signals. The TX960 operates with a 9-volt alkaline battery, 6F22, or a nickel metal hydride rechargeable battery for extended use. With its beautiful design, the TX960 stands out from other metal detectors. It features a high-brightness LED flashlight for nighttime searching, allowing you to continue your treasure hunt even in low-light conditions. The 13-waterproof search coil enables detection in water, while the controller should be kept dry. The TX960 offers a target ID legend on the LCD screen, displaying probable target identities such as iron, foil, coins, and more. This information helps you make informed decisions about which targets to dig and which to ignore. Featuring all metal and discrimination modes, the TX960 allows you to choose the desired operation mode with a single touch. The LCD screen clearly shows the selected mode, and the 3-tone audio provides additional audio feedback. With its coin depth indicator, the TX960 helps determine the depth of coins or similar-sized targets in 2-inch increments, ensuring precise targeting and efficient digging. The battery level indicator informs you about the current battery condition, and the sensitivity is adjustable to suit different environments. At number 4, the Techpoint GS6000 professional metal detector is a top-of-the-line instrument designed for those seeking high performance and precise metal detection capabilities. Ideal for professional use in archaeological research, military mine clearance, and various treasure hunting scenarios, the GS6000 offers advanced features and a remarkable detection depth of up to 5 meters. Equipped with audible and pointer indicators, the GS6000 provides clear feedback on detected metals. The included headphones enable convenient monitoring, allowing you to focus on the detection process without distractions. With its high sensitivity and strong resolution, this metal detector ensures accurate positioning and reliable results. The GS6000 operates in ground balance and discrimination mode, allowing you to adjust settings to eliminate unwanted targets and concentrate on valuable finds. The signal display provides visual information about detected objects, enhancing your detection efficiency. Designed for durability and efficiency, the GS6000 consumes low energy while delivering exceptional performance. Its master frequency of 465 kHz ensures reliable detection of underground gold and silver treasures. With a working temperature range of -10 to 45 degrees Celsius, this metal detector can handle various environmental conditions. Constructed with sturdy materials for heavy-duty applications, the GS6000 is suitable for use by archaeological researchers, mining departments, and law enforcement agencies. Its accurate positioning, high resolution, and remarkable detection depth make it a valuable tool for detecting metal relics and hidden treasures. At number 3, The TriCore Power MD6350 Underground Metal Detector is a professional-grade tool designed for avid treasure hunters and gold diggers. This advanced metal detector comes with a range of features that enhance its performance and usability in various detecting environments. Equipped with a graphic target ID cursor with 12 segments, the MD6350 offers precise discrimination capabilities, allowing you to accept or reject specific targets. The electronic pinpointing feature helps you locate the exact position of buried objects, while the sensitivity and depth adjustment functions ensure optimal performance in different soil conditions. Featuring a large advanced LCD display, the MD6350 provides clear target information and important indicators such as battery condition and coin depth. Its microprocessor-controlled operation and push-button controls make it easy to operate and adjust settings on the go. With multiple search modes, including all metal, jewelry, custom, relics, and coins, the MD6350 offers versatility to match your specific detecting needs. The discrimination function helps filter out unwanted targets, while the clear speaker tone and tone ID with coin alert provide audible cues for target identification. The MD6350 includes enhanced iron resolution, which enables better separation of desirable targets from iron junk in cluttered areas. Its standard 8.5x11 elliptical double D search coil ensures optimal performance in mineralized soils. Powered by 4 AA batteries, the MD6350 offers a runtime of several hours, and its lightweight design allows for comfortable and extended detecting sessions. With a warranty of 2 years, you can have peace of mind knowing that this metal detector is built to last. Whether you're an experienced detectorist or a beginner, the TriCore Power MD6350 Underground Metal Detector provides advanced features and reliable performance for successful treasure hunting in a wide range of environments. At number 2, the Smart Sensor AR944M Metal Detector is a powerful and compact underground detection tool suitable for various applications. This rechargeable metal detector offers a maximum detection depth of 1.8 meters and is capable of detecting a wide range of metals, including aluminum, copper, iron, and rare metals. With its alarm buzzer, vibration, and earphone detection modes, the AR944M provides versatile detection indications, making it suitable for different environments and user preferences. The sensitivity adjustment feature allows you to customize the detection scope, making it suitable for both large and small targets. The metal detector is equipped with a 2000 mAh battery, ensuring long-lasting operation. Its lightweight design, weighing only 312 grams, and compact size make it portable and easy to carry during treasure-seeking adventures. The AR944M features a sound/vibration probe tip and offers a detectable distance of up to 2.5 inches. It includes ground balance and discrimination modes, enabling you to fine-tune the detection process and distinguish between various types of metals. With its durable construction and 3-tone audio alerts, the AR944M provides reliable performance even in challenging conditions. The large LCD display shows the detected indications clearly, while the battery condition indicator ensures you're aware of the power status. Whether you're a professional detectorist or a beginner, the Smart Sensor AR944M metal detector offers impressive features and accurate detection capabilities. Its user-friendly design and high sensitivity make it a valuable tool for gold detection, relic hunting, and general metal searching tasks. At number 1, the Tanzan TX850 metal detector is a versatile tool designed for treasure hunters and metalworking enthusiasts. With its high sensitivity and precise detection capabilities, this metal detector is perfect for finding small gold nuggets, relics, jewelry, coins, and other metal objects. Whether you're searching in your backyard, along the shoreline, or in remote fields, the TX850 can provide an exciting treasure hunting experience. Equipped with an 11-inch DD waterproof search coil, the TX850 offers interchangeable coils and a detection depth of up to 25 centimeters for U.S. coins. It features multiple detection modes, including full metal detection, discrimination mode to identify different metals, and pinpoint mode for finding the exact location of buried objects. The LCD screen and sound indicator provide clear indication of detected metals, ensuring you don't miss any valuable finds. The TX850 offers useful features such as volume and sensitivity adjustment, an earphone jack for private searches, and an automatically ground balance function. It also includes features like elimination and discrimination, allowing you to ignore unwanted objects and focus on the targets of your interest. Constructed with durability in mind, the TX850 is powered by a 9V battery, 6F22, and is designed for comfortable handling during long search sessions. Its ergonomic design and lightweight build make it easy to carry and maneuver. Overall, the Tanzan TX850 metal detector is a reliable and user-friendly tool for metal detection enthusiasts. Its excellent performance, adjustable features, and robust construction make it suitable for both beginners and experienced users alike.